My name is Dr. Anya Dashevsky, and I'm the owner of Growing Minds, LLC. In this three-part video, we'll be talking about cognitive testing, also known as IQ testing. Before we get to explaining the process of cognitive testing, I want to take a few minutes talking about what IQ does and does not measure, and in what instances IQ testing can be useful. When we talk about cognitive testing, we first have to ask ourselves what it means to be intelligent. There are many different definitions of intelligence, but most researchers agree that intelligence has to do with the ability to learn or to acquire new skills and new knowledge, as well as with the ability to apply this knowledge and skills to resolve real-life problems or difficulties. Although we sometimes think of intelligence as one entity, some researchers have proposed that there is not one, but several different types of intelligence. Psychologist Howard Gardner identified at least 8 different intelligences: linguistic, logical mathematical, spatial, musical, interpersonal, intrapersonal, naturalist, and bodily kinesthetic. Now let's get back to the subject of IQ testing. It's important to remember that the IQ score does not predict your child's future success or future happiness in life. To lead a meaningful and productive life, a person needs many different qualities, such as the ability to work hard, to persevere in the face of obstacles, to communicate effectively with a variety of different people, to be open to trying out different strategies when the first strategy fails, to be kind and empathetic to others. Results of IQ testing tell us nothing about these qualities. If you think of a person as an incredibly complex and multifaceted puzzle, IQ scores are but one piece of this puzzle. Having said that, what do we gain from cognitive testing? Why is it useful? Out of the several intelligences identified by Howard Gardner, IQ testing primarily measures a child's linguistic, logical, mathematical, and spatial intelligences. Results of cognitive testing provides information about a person's cognitive strengths, as well as areas of challenge. Having this information can tell us, how does this person learn best? The answer to this question can be useful in making educational decisions, and to some extent, decisions regarding future career possibilities as well. For children, this can help figure out what educational environment would best fit a particular child, or what kinds of enrichment or remediation opportunities a child may need. If a person is seeking testing because of a particular difficulty or concern, IQ testing provides a foundation for a more comprehensive neuropsychological evaluation, so we can begin the process of figuring out the reasons for a particular difficulty in order to address it effectively. Thus, in determining a person's educational and intellectual needs, IQ testing can be an incredibly useful tool. Stay tuned for the next video where we explain the different components of IQ testing.